Do not use Facebook until you turn these settings off. In this guide, we're going over specifically how you can stop Facebook from tracking all your activity and using data for different ads. If this guide does help you out though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help with the channel, let us know that you want more content like this. And if you do have any questions throughout the duration of this guide, ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up the Facebook app and tapping the menu icon down in the bottom right corner, and then select settings and privacy and go specifically into your settings, and up at the top you're going to see an option for account center. Select that and scroll down and you're going to see an add preferences tab. Open that up. From here, turn off any of these categories that do apply to you. Scroll over to this manage info tab and select categories used to reach you and turn all this stuff off, like employer, job title, device, and more. Also, I recommend going into your activity information from ad partners and go ahead and make sure this is turned off as well. Specifically set this to no and then turn off ads from partners and ads about Meta as well by ticking it to don't show me ads from ad partners. All of these settings are directly in this ad preferences tab. Finally, in this section, if you scroll down, you're going to see an other settings tab. Go ahead and select social interactions, select your specific account, and disable social interactions so that your friends' likes don't actually influence what you actually see. So put that on only me. Back out of this section and return to this main page, and what you're going to want to do is go to the main settings page and search up camera roll sharing suggestions and go ahead and open that up and turn this off so that Facebook doesn't scan all of your photos and videos. From here, back out of Facebook and go into your phone settings, and down at the very bottom, go ahead and search for Facebook and open up the Facebook app settings. Change your location up at the very top to never. Limit your photo access by going into photos and put limited access, and turn microphone and camera off just like so. Unless of course you really do need them. Also under your privacy and tracking options, turn off allow tracking. Now return to Facebook, it's going to refresh for you. If it doesn't, swipe out of it and get back in it. And you can just use a privacy checkup tool to review who can actually see your post, friends list, and profile. Switch anything on this privacy and security tab, specifically down in audience visibility in this profile and tag section, to never or just friends only so that public people aren't seeing everything that you do. But that is it. Some quick steps to make sure that your Facebook is more private and secure. If you have any questions, ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.